something that makes Forchines so special is their adaptability. You aren't forced to pick a single part or size to make on a Forchine. The Forchine that makes this bolt can also make this hex nut. Hex bolts and socket head screws on the same machine? You bet. Really long and really short? No problem. Different size diameters? Give us a real challenge. A Forchine can make this half-inch bolt as easily as it can this quarter-inch bolt. That's the Forchine advantage. No limitations. For more information on what Forchining can do for you, give Allied Titanium a call.